Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We have today MF1100 Smart Metal Detection Device, multi-function system. We're showing now all accessories of the device and how to use the machine. This is the bag of the device, the case. This is the user manual showing you and explain how to work the machine, and this is the DVD, and this is the warranty card for 3 years. This is my unit of the MF1500 Smart. You can controlling by this unit of all search system. And this is charger, electric charger, headphones, and this is ground transmitter unit, and this is line tracker system and ion system verification units, and we have here the handheld long range locators and this sensor for the ion unit, ion systems you can using. And this is antenna rod to using by the long range system of line tracker. And this is the handle, grip handle of the long range system, and the antenna also. And we open the system now. You must to press this power, this switch of power, there is the search and settings. There is brightness and volume and language. The page of the setting, there is 3 options you can set before using the machine. There is, you can control of the brightness of the LCD, and the wall of sound, and the language. We're using the English language. We go to search menu. There is 3 general search system, and if we select tele-detection system long range, there is a metal menu. You can select gold or silver or copper or bronze. There is water menu. There is natural and mineral and salty and all type of water. And there is gemstone. There is diamond, emeralds and meteors and all gemstones. And there is cavity. We go to metal. We select gold, for example. And we go to parameters. There is distance, you can set the distance, and we press move to other section, other selection. There is depth. You can set the depth of search from 1 meter to 40 meters, and the distance from 100 meters to 2000 meters. And then you go to start. If you go to start, there is 2 systems you can using inside the tele-detection system, long range system we mean. There is a line tracker and there is handheld system. For example, we're using now the line tracker system, and we will show you how using this to explain for you how using the long range system. there is two systems inside long range system, teledetection system, and we must to use the main unit and the ground transmitters. You must to connect this unit in the machine. And you put this unit in the ground. And we must use this antenna, wireless antenna, because the main unit can send the orders of information and frequency from the device to the other systems. We open this system, we turn on, and then we must to choose this system, and the device is working. You can put this unit in your pocket and you take the antenna like that and you return off the machine. If you're using any target, you see the antennas be like that. When you go out of target, the antenna is open. See? We see again. And now we must to track to the target location like zigzag. Now we are out of the search point of the target point. If we come directly off the target, see what happened. If we go out, the antennas go back. We are now over the target directly. The target is here. And we're using now the other system. This is the handheld systems. We can fix the grip, and there is special jack to fix that, and there is antenna in the front of this unit, and you open this handheld like this, and we must go here and we change the system. There is handheld system. You must to select the handheld system, but before you must to open. You open this machine to press the on-off button. Then we select this system, and we select there in the main unit the gold, and here is stick the order to gold. Now we will check how using this machine. You can open the reader. We check back. The target location in the same antenna location exactly. And now we go to using other system, we connect this is Ionic system. We open this unit from to press the on-off button. Now the device is waiting the order from the main unit. We go to select the ion sense system from the menu, and we enter to go to this menu, and we select the gold, and we press OK. You can using the headphones. We're using this machine. We hand like this, and we start to scan. We see now there is signal to the same direction. We must to track. This location of the target. Now we're using the ground sensor system. We go to the system and we select this system, but we see in the screen the sensor is not connecting, so we must to connect the sensor, make ground balance, and we go now to the target location, and we will check what happened there. Let's go. This is the location of the target. This is the point exactly. We see the signal in the LCD. Thank you for using the MF1100 smart.